Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7 comparing quantities exercise 7.2 question number 5. An article was purchased for rupees 1239 including GST of 18%. That is, we are purchasing an article and the purchased items amount plus GST. Okay, it is given by 1239, but they are asking for the article item alone before adding the GST. Okay, so generally we know that price of the item, here the price of the item it is article. So price of the item plus some tax. Okay, so here the tax is given by GST. Okay, so tax amount, that is GST amount, is given by bill amount. So here the bill amount is given in the problem. The bill amount is given by 1239. So we need to find out the price of the article before adding the GST. So before adding this GST amount, what is the price of the article, that we have to find out. Okay, so let price of the article be X. So price of the article be X. Okay, because I don't know what it is. And then GST amount, instead of giving GST amount, they have given GST percentage. Okay, so what is GST percentage? GST percentage, it is 18%. So using that we can calculate GST amount. Okay, so GST amount is given by GST percentage into price of the article. Okay, price of the article. So what is GST percentage? It is 18%, which is given by 18 by 100. What is price of the article? Now only we have assumed it as X. So it is given by, GST amount is given by 18X by 100. Okay, so let me take price of the article as X, GST amount as 18X by 100. Okay, now coming to the original formula. Okay, what is the formula? Price of the article plus GST amount, it is equal to bill amount. Okay, so what is the price of the article? We have assumed it as X. What is the GST amount? It is 18X by 100. What is the bill amount? Bill amount is 1239. So now simplify and find out the X. Once you have find out the X is nothing but the price of the article. So here left hand side we have 100 as LCM. So just multiply with 100. So 100X plus 18X, it is equal to 1239. 100 plus 18 is 118X divided by 100, which is equal to 1239. So now we have to find out the X. Keep X alone in the left hand side. Right hand side it is 1239 into, take 100 to the right side, it becomes numerator. Take 118 to the right hand side, it becomes denominator. So now apply the two tables. So 5 2s are 10, balance is 1, it will become 18, 9 2s are 18. 5 2s are 10 and then end you have 0, that you can write as it is. Now when we see the denominator 59 is a prime number. Okay, so we have to divide this only by 59. Okay, so when we divide by 59, here also we have to divide by 59. So let me check whether it is divisible by 59. Okay, so let me apply two tables. 9 2s are 18, so balance is 1, it will become 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So subtract both the values. 13 minus 8 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, anyway 1 minus 1 is 0. Here it is 9. So now 51 into 1 is nothing but, 59 into 1 is nothing but 59. So subtract both the value, it is 0. So 59 ones are 59. Okay, 59 into 21 is nothing but 1239. Okay, so numerator I have 21 into 50. Okay, so just multiply 21 into 5. So I have 5, 5 2s are 10, 105. So X is equal to 105 and additionally you have 1 0. So append that. So X equal to 1050. So price of the article, before adding GST. Before adding GST, it is equal to rupees 1050. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.